Assalamu alaikum.
Noor Kids, learn Islam, stories and fun. Subscribe now.
Good habits every day, hooray! Surgu. Good habits help me on my way. Surgu. Bismillah when I start my day. Oorah. Allah loves me when I obey. Wake up, smile, let's go play. 2. Learning good habits every day. Raylay. The sun is shining, rise and shine, Sukra. I wake up early feeling fine. Stretch my arms up to the sky, Jewel. Alhamdulillah, I say with a smile. Good habits every day, hooray! Surgu. Good habits help me on my way. Surgu. Brush, 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 brush my teeth, make them shiny, make them neat. Up and down and round and round. Healthy teeth make happy sounds. Bismillah before I start. Hoorah! Keeping clean is very smart. Brush, brush, brush away jizz. Clean teeth every day, Joe. Splash, splash, wash my face, curlew. Water feels so cool and great. Clean and fresh from head to toe. Ready for the day to go. Wash my hands before I eat. Nose clean and tidy, nice and neat. Bismillah before my meal. Thank you Allah for what I feel. Thank you Allah for what I feel. Crunchy apples, yummy bread, F and Capu. Healthy food helps me grow instead. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Oh, say cleanest hands in all the land. Reglay West when I meet my friends today. Assalamu alaikum, I happily say. Big smiles shining on our face. Salam spreads love in every place. Friend says walaikum salam, you soon. Now we're happy all day long. Good habits every day, hooray! Surgu. Good habits help me on my way. Surgu. Helping friends when they feel sad makes our hearts feel really glad. Mommy helps me every day, Raylay. Daddy guides me on my way, Yulu. Daddy guides me on my way, Stroh. Good habits me when they day, Sugu. Learn good habits every day, Graylay. Learn good habits every day, Graylay.
Assalamu alaikum.
Noor Kids, learn Islam, stories and fun. Subscribe now.